Hi students, already we are seeing the problems on thermodynamics versus the theory part also I have teached in the previous video. So in today's session we are going to see another important problem relating to this thermodynamics. As all the students are feeling very difficult in physics, I am saying that physics is the most easiest subject while you are understanding completely. Right students? So you have to concentrate on the concepts which you have to make your foundation stronger. Right? So in this session, we are going to see the problem relating to this thermodynamics. Kindly watch our previous video in order to know the basic concepts of thermodynamics. In order to get into the problem, you have to know the basic concepts relating to this topic. So in this topic, two thermally insulated vessels 1 and 2 are filled with air. So what is the meaning of a thermally insulated vessels? So it cannot conduct heat outside of the vessel. That is the meaning, right? So this is vessel 1. This is vessel 2. Right? These two vessels are named as 1 and 2 are filled with air at temperatures T1, T2. So let us consider this temperature as T1. This temperature as T2 and the volume is mentioned as V1, V2, pressure as P1, P2. Right? Can you able to catch? Okay. If the valve joining the two vessels is opened, okay. If the valve, I am having a valve here in middle, in between these two vessels, I am having a valve. If I am releasing these valves means, if I am releasing this valve means, what will happen? The temperature inside the vessel at equilibrium will be. So now the temperature at the midpoint at equilibrium will be, what will be the value of that question? We have to find out that, right? In order to get into this problem, we have to know that what is the energy formula. U represents energy. In terms of energy, we are representing U. That is as a summation of 1 and 2 because we are taking two vessels. So vessel 1 will have some internal energy and vessel 2 will have some internal energy. If the summation of these two vessels, total energy we will get, right? So in terms of U, what shall we write in terms of V? So we have to convert this formula as NCV. Usually we will take this as del T. In this problem, we are considering it as NCVT alone, right? So replace this U1 as N1 CVT1 and N2 CVT2. Why we are taking this CV as a constant? Can you able to understand? Because the volume inside, that means the volume inside this vessel, which we have filled up with air, remains constant. Constant volume will be maintained here. Okay. So take this CV outside of this formula. So CV, while we are taking outside means we will get N1 T1 plus N2 T2. So this CV get cancelled. So N represents the number of moles which we are included this. So we replace this one as N1 plus N2 into T. This is equal to N1 T1 plus N2 T2. So let us see the options which are all present here. You can able to understand that in terms of either T1, T2 and in terms of PV, the options are there. So we have to convert this formula to the ideal gas equation, right? Getting into this, can you able to get it? Can you able to get the problem options here? See, we are having N1 and N2 here. N1, N2, T1, T2. We are getting the terms. Then how could we cancel these terms? N1, N2, N1 plus N2. We can't, right? So we have to replace a N value in terms of ideal gas equation, right? So in terms of ideal gas equation, we have to replace this formula, right? So see, here N1 and N2 are there, right? So what is the ideal gas law? PV is equal to nRT. This is the ideal gas equation, ideal gas law. So replace this n value in terms of PV and RT. So n is equal to PV divided by RT. So let us replace these values. So n1 plus n2 into T, this is equal to n1 we could consider as, what the value we can consider? P1 V1 divided by R into T1, R which represents the universal gas constant is R, right? So let us consider as it is itself. In the similar way, you can replace this N2 as P2 V2 divided by R into T2 into this T2, right? So here also T1 is there. So this T1 and this T1 get cancelled. This T2 and T2 get cancelled, right? So we will get P1 V1 divided by R plus P2 V2 divided by R. So we can change these values also in terms of PV. So what will you get? P1 V1 divided by RT1 plus P2 V2 divided by RT2 into T. What we want to get in this problem means we want to get the temperature alone. So you can get this value to the right hand side. So T is equal to P1 V1 by R plus P2 V2 divided by R, the whole divided by P1 V1 by RT1 plus P2 V2 divided by RT2, right? So R, all the terms of R is constant, so we can cancel these values. So what is the remaining part? We get P1 V1 plus P2 V2 divided by P1 V1 divided by T1 plus P2 V2 divided by T2. We have to take the LCM. So you cross multiply the terms, right? So see, I am calculating here since there is no place. So P1 V1 plus P2 V2 divided by P1 V1 T2 plus P2 V2 T1 divided by T1 into T2. Now take this value to the numerator. So T1 into T2 into P1 V1 plus P2 V2 divided by P1 V1 T2 plus P2 V2 T1. So see, what is the option you get? The first option goes, right? So this is the correct answer. So you have to, in physics, you must concentrate on the subject. What is in the question, what is the concept they are giving? You have to analyze it. First of all, for that, for proceeding your problem, you have to know the fundamental concepts and theory part very thoroughly. You have to be get thorough in that theory part, right, students? So you have to concentrate much more on physics and chemistry also. While we are concentrating in biology, it is the safest part to cross the maximum marks you could able to get. But if nowadays the competition is rising, right? Competition is rising day to day. So we have to concentrate on this chemistry as well as the physics part in order to get the medical seat as easiest as possible, right, students? Because in today's level, you have to get a 600 and plus marks. So you have to concentrate on the chemistry part as well as the physics part along with this biology part also, right, students? So please work out the problems on physics and chemistry. If you have any doubts, means you can clarify the doubts through our comment box. You can mention it. I will clear all your doubts. And plus, if you like this video, means you please kindly share it with your friends and give us the support, students. Thank you.